Hi, my name is Holly Hunter. I am a student at the University of South Florida. My major is accounting. I am currently a senior, and this Tableau project is for ACG 4632. So today we are working on a data set, and right here, my first sheet, we have a segregation of duties for the invoices. You can see here separates each invoice number out by the date for which it applies. You can kind of keep going down the list here. See, we have two separate invoices. And then if we go on to the next sheet, this is our timeline sheet. So this just basically shows the number of invoices over a period of time. You can tell the total number of invoices still outstanding if you go to the end here as of 12/31/2018. So you can kind of see at any point during the year how many invoices were outstanding. Alright, if we go on to our next sheet here, this one displays customer size, and I set this up to where on the top here we have the number of invoices that each client has, and then on the bottom here you can see it shows the credit limit for each client as well. Down here these are the customer numbers, each is individual to each customer. But if I click on, say, this number right here, it will show the corresponding invoice number up here as well. This can be very helpful to see whether clients are up to date on their billing, and whether a company would be able to continue to sell to the client. So yeah, you can kind of tell for each one. I feel like these are very important statistics for an auditor to know. And lastly, here we have our interactive dashboard. So here, as you can tell, you can click on any of these invoices here. So this one is from September 2nd, and it will pull up the corresponding timeline here, the invoice total, as well as the client's credit limit and their customer number. And I will switch it again to another just so you can see how the ranges change. See, the customer numbers are changing. This one down here shows your credit limit, and this one up here shows your invoice total. So you can go through, and even ones where there's two separate ones, the dashboard will continue to change and will give you the most relevant information based on that invoice. So this is my Tableau project. Thank you.